Okay, guys, for the next set of questions, you're going to answer yes, she can, no, she can't. Yes, he can, no, he can't. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Can your dad play the piano? Can your dad play the piano?
No, he can't.
Can your brother swim? Can your brother swim?
Yes, he can.
Can your mom do karate? Can your mom do karate?
No, she can't.
Can your brother do kendo? Can your brother do kendo?
Yes, he can.
Can your sister draw well? Can your sister draw well?
Yes, she can.
Can your friend ride a unicycle? Can your friend ride a unicycle?
Yes, she can.
Can your dad drive a car? Can your dad drive a car?
Yes, he can.
Can your teacher skate? Can your teacher skate?
No, he can't.
Can your grandma make sushi? Can your grandma make sushi?
Yes, she can.
Can your best friend play soccer? Can your best friend play soccer?
Yes, he can.
Good job. Very good. Very good job, guys.